everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to Costco and I have a very strict budget. So let's see what I get from Costco with $100 for food. Shall we go see? Let's go. We're heading into the Costco right now, but first I'm putting in a pizza order so that we can pick it up at the very end. How's pizza sound for dinner?
Pizza.
Let's go. We're in the Costco and right up front is Halloween stuff. So let's go take a quick look. Ooh, here's a creepy guy. Ooh, he's got some eyes. Oh, I see it. That's cool. Maybe we should get that. Look at these costumes over here behind you. These are such good quality. They're only like $25. And I say only, it's like, I don't like buying things that are used for one day, but we've used some of these for multiple years, huh? We have this Captain America one at home that we've used for multiple kids, multiple years, and it's in good quality. Don't you think? So I am giving myself two things that I'm not putting on my list. And this is one, just some toothpaste for $9 for this many, which is a steal of a deal. They also have Christmas stuff here. I refuse to look at the Christmas stuff. It's just too early. Right, so we just had some really good samples. What'd you get, Jonas or Ezra?
I got those noodles that were so good.
They're like veggie noodles, right?
There were these ice cream.
These ice creams, okay. And what else did we get?
Popcorners.
Popcorners. Yeah. Oh, don't give anything away. So let's go see what else we can go sample. Should we go check out more samples?
I know there's one more.
Whoa, this is cold. So we got to get some eggs. All right, so we have these awesome mums, and they're huge. Such a good price. And they would be beautiful by a front door and only like $16. They are my mother's favorite. And then they have all of these awesome trees. Now this is one we bought, a dwarf lemon tree, and we've had it now for a couple years. So we're starting to get some tiny fruit off of it. So this is my first time using their self-checkout. It was so fast, you guys. So I didn't even have to wait in line hardly, and the guys scanned it for me. All I had to do was pay. So easy. So I'm back, and I can't wait to show you what I got. And like I said, that self-checkout was amazing. So I can't stop thinking about it. All right, so I told you in the video that I gave myself these allowances. This here was $28. It's a lot of money, but like you can tell, that would totally take a chunk of my grocery bill. So I allowed it for that. So I went there with just a few things that I had to get. So this is the first. I got a big bag of thin sliced chicken breast. This has been something more recent, probably in the last couple of months. It saves so much time in cooking and grilling that I'm happy to pay the extra few dollars. So this is $23.99. And then I also got, because I needed, some more cooking spray. So with the fall coming, we have lots of things that I'm baking, and I need the cooking spray. And I got I got another set of 2. 4 grandma sycamores where I can put them in the refrigerator or the freezer, and they are for kids' lunches. I still have some wheat bread back there. That's kind of slow to be eaten. Usually for breakfast is what I'm eating it with. Okay, so the rest is, so now those grandma sycamores were $10 for both. It was a little under $10. And the cooking spray, I believe, was $5.99. So you can see, that is a good chunk of my money. And I'll just say, with Jonas coming with me, it pays to go grocery shopping with your mom, because we hit so many of those sample places and it sold us. So I was kind of thinking more about lunchtime stuff. So I got this oven roasted turkey and honey ham, and this was $8.99. Plus it comes in a nice little container if we want to keep that. And then also for lunch, we got these. These are gluten-free, so Paul can have them. They're jalapeno cheddar poppers, and they are nice and spicy. Not overtly spicy, but enough to give it a good flavor. Let me know in the comments if you have or you like eating these popcorners. They are so good. I also got some white cheese. Their cheese is such a good price. For 2 pounds, it was like $5. So, and I think it kind of went up a little bit, at least by 40 cents. So it used to be a little cheaper, but it's still a good price. And Ezra's been really liking this white cheese in his quesadillas. So I'll make them. He also likes apple sauces, but he likes the go-go squeeze ones. Well, those ones were $15 and these ones were $9.99. So we're gonna get these organic apple sauces. Even Jonas can take one in his lunch if Kobe wants to take one too. Then this was another sample that sold us. Have you ever had these moochies? Oh my gosh, I think we had it at a hibachi kind of restaurant years ago, and it is, I believe, gluten-free. Paul, help me out here. Is it gluten-free? Yes.
Yes.
Gluten-free. They're so good. Ice cream wrapped around like it says rice dough, but it almost has like a gummy bear consistency. That's around ice cream. So good. And yay, we can have them. And I got some bananas for $1.23. Now, the boys like eating them in tortillas with some peanut butter. I like adding a little bit of cinnamon, but if we get some ripe ones, I have a recipe that I'm going to share with you guys. So it'll probably be in one of the lives. Maybe I already did it. We'll see. Next up, I bought some more eggs. I like eating just a couple of eggs with breakfast. And if we don't have like a sausage or a ham, that's totally fine. I also like making scrambled egg burritos for breakfast for the kids. Sometimes they eat them. I had to get our favorite tortillas. So I will be able to put these in the back freezer. We still have some in the front, but these are awesome for, like I said, burritos for breakfast, for those tortillas with the bananas in them. So good. And I really do feel like this is the best tasting tortilla. For me, I can taste preservatives on all of the ones on the shelf at the store. Tried them all. So these ones are a good price. For organic, I believe they were $6.99 for 36. And I think that's a super good price. And they last for a while. So I'm happy about that. I just had to get some more graham crackers. These are for my classroom, but I also use them to make graham cracker bars because I have sweetened condensed milk in the pantry, and it's a very easy recipe with some coconut and some chocolate chips. Let me know in the comments if you make those at your house. Whenever I've made them, I always get lots of comments saying, my great-grandmother used to make those for me, or my Aunt Hildy does that, but she adds nuts, or it's just so fun because I think a lot of people have a variation of that recipe. But the kids in the classroom love the graham crackers. Last but not least, like I said, it pays for you to come grocery shopping with your mom because Jonas was telling me that he had a friend who had these yummy ramens and they were giving them out as a sample, which means it was on sale. So, hello Jonas to a bunch of hot and spicy ramen. These were $7.99 and they come with their own bowl and it was actually pretty tasty. So Jonas says if he can't take them for lunch, we'll try to figure it out. Let me know in the comments if you know a good way to take a ramen soup for lunch. I'm not sure we're there yet. So if Jonas doesn't eat these for lunch, he said he will have them as a snack after school because when the boys get home from school, oh my goodness, it's a whole new level of starving. Oh, these kids, and they have lunch like at 10:30 too. It's so early. So of course, by the time it's 2:30 and they get home, they're starving. So you guys, you want to know how much I spent? I spent $132 total. Now remember, this was $28, so I only went $4 over. So I will call that a win, even though I went over $4. So What do you guys think? Did I get a lot for $100 or $104? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much, Rollers, for stopping by, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.